fine, buddy. It's okay. What you trying to say? Come here. 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 Come on, come here. Hi. What is bro saying? I think I might have offended it. You want me to stop recording? Okay. No. Look at this thing. It's crazy. It's a red squirrel. Crazy. Crazy dude. There he goes. Hi, buddy. You're adorable. I love you. I'm gonna stop recording so I don't offend you anymore. It's okay. Come here. Buddy. It's okay. Calm down. Come here. Are you trying to alarm one of your friends? I think so. Trying to call like a fox or something? You are very loud. You are very disturbing, little guy. You are very disturbing. Not in that way. I mean, like, you disturb people with your loud noise because you are loud AF, my boy. Come on, come back down. It's okay, yeah. Come on, come on. Hey, it's okay. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. You're getting close to the ground, aren't you? Where did you go, buddy? Oh, hi. Hi. Come on, here. Oh, buddy. You are still being recorded, sir. Alright, bye-bye.